So today we will discuss the concept of programmatic advertising. Basically, we will discuss everything about programmatic advertising in this video, and would like to cover most of the things about programmatic advertising. Since we are making videos about programmatic advertising questions and programmatic advertising topics, so I thought of making a programmatic advertising overall video and giving a conceptualization of what programmatic advertising actually is in digital marketing. So it would help you to understand programmatic advertising in a better way. So I have tried to curate this video by merging many aspects of programmatic advertising in one video. So let's start. So how programmatic advertising works. So we have some figurative explanations for the same. So this is how programmatic advertising works. This is the publisher, the supplier. This is the ad shown on the website and the mobile app of the publisher. This is the supply side platform which is connected to the publisher for for making the ad inventory available to the advertisers in the market. And this is the ad exchange through which the SSPs provide the publishers ad inventory to the advertisers. So the inventory which is made available for everyone is happening through the SSP, which is like connecting with the ad exchange. Ad exchange in turn is doing real time bidding or open auction for like for getting the highest bid available from the advertisers who want to advertise on the publishers ad inventory, and whoever bids the highest, their ad runs. This is the brand and advertiser. This is the demand side platform, and this is the demand management platform, which is generally used for segmentation of the data as per the advertiser's demand. So if the advertiser is interested in showing their ads only to a particular location such as Delhi only, and to a particular age group such as between 25 to 30 years, so the ads are only shown on publisher's website to people who are visiting, who are of Delhi and who are of 25 to 30 years of age. That is the main work, data segmentation work, which is done by the DMP platform, which is connected with the demand side platform. The demand side platform generally fulfills the demand which is given by the supply side platform via the ad exchange to fulfill the ad demand on the publisher's ad inventory. And this is the brand which is interrelated with the DSP as well as the SSP, and the ad exchange as well as the publishers. So this is the whole cycle through which this goes: publisher, then SSP, borrow like SSP gives the demand of ad inventory of publishers to ad exchange, and exchange does the real time bidding. The real time bidding happens via the brand, the advertisers directly. Then you have DSPs, and DSPs also filter the demand via the DMPs, the demand side platforms. And accordingly, the ads flow from the advertiser, DSP, DMPs, and RTPs, real time bidding, to ad exchange, then SSPs, and then the ad is served to the publisher's main portal. This is the ad demand flow. So this is the advertiser, this is the ad agency, this is the media, this is DSP, RTV, this is the advertiser, Adobe. The real time bidding is happening. This is the sell side platform. This is Rubicon as a sell side platform. Agency Trade Desk is Accord Media, and the publisher is Coastal Watch, and this is also one of the publishers, Publift. So how these things are interrelated: this is the publisher, this is the SSP, real time bidding happening, then this is DSP, this is the agency Trade Desk, this is the advertiser which wants to publish their ads, this is Kayo Sports, and this is the demand side platform which is owned by Adobe. Then the demand side platform is also interlinked with the agency Trade Desk, which is Accord Media. So there are various stakeholders involved in programmatic advertising, basically. So starting from the publishers, which is Coastal Watch, then publisher is connected with a supply side platform, which here is Rubicon as well as the Public. Then the supply side platform is going for real time bidding via any ad exchange, and then the real time bidding, the demand is being routed through a DSP, which is Adobe DSP, and DSP is interconnected with an agency trade desk, which is Accordant Media, and agency trade desk is interrelated with an advertiser directly or an agency, which is Kayo Sports. Then these are the DSPs and SSP. This is the advertiser, agency trading desk or in-house team. Then advertiser ad agency trading desk is related to an ad network working for a buyer. Then this is the advertiser ad server. Ad network is going to demand side platform, the real time bidding platform. Advertiser is also going to their DSP. This is the buy side, and this is the data management platform through which the serving of ads on a segmented data is made possible. Then DSP connects with the SSP via the RTV server. This is the data broker. This is the ad network working for a publisher. This is publisher ad server, and this is the publisher, and this is the consumer. So if you reverse the process, this is consumer, this is publisher. Publisher is going to an ad network for publishing the ads on its ad inventory. This is the publisher ad server. This is the ad network working for a publisher. This is the SSP, which is connected to the ad network, and this publisher ad server is connected to SSP RTV server. Then SSP gets connected with DSP, and the RTV server connects with RTV client. Then DSP gets connected with the ad network, then the advertiser side ad server. Ad network is connected with the agency trading desk, in-house line item, and then agency trade desk is connected with an advertiser. This is Google Ad Exchange Marketplace. So here these are the buyers, advertisers, network 1, network 2, network 3. There are 9 advertisers in 3 network pools. Then you have Google Ads advertisers separately, which has advertisers, 4-5 advertisers, and there are other network ads also. These can be like other network like Programmatic, InMobi, Index Exchange, OpenX. This is Google Exchange. This is the single marketplace for completing this whole process of buying and selling, where the buyers are also placed on the same platform as well as the sellers are also placed on the same platform for an ad inventory. And this is AdSense interface, where AdSense is there and websites is there. These are the sellers of website 1, 2, 3 through Google Ad Exchange, who are selling their ads through Google Exchange to different buyers on different ad networks, and Google Ads have their own set of advertisers. This is the auction time for programmatic advertising. This is the header auction, the header bidding, which starts where the floor pricing is set up, and then this is a real-time auction in header bidding. The best bidding wins. The best bidding header bidding auction sent to the ad server, which competes with the other line items like the guaranteed and guaranteed price parities, other non-guaranteed ad speeds, and exchange bidding, which is the yield group. So if going through all bids compete in ad server to find the best offer, and yield group auction also happens, exchange bidding also happens, and then the best bid, which is a header bidding bid here, like yield group has placed a bid of $1.50. Second bid is 2.25, but third bid is of the partner C, which is coming through header bidding, is $3. So it is the winner, and their ad is getting shown to the site, which is header bidding tag. So this is the whole process through which header bidding and the RTB happens, and how header bidding is generally outperforms the real-time bidding or the yield group bidding, is because they provide a higher ECPM as compared to the ECPMs offered on ad networks and yield groups. So this is header auction, floor price is set. Real-time auction in header bidding happens. These are 4 partners. Best bid 1.50, partner A. Partner B best bid $3.00. Partner C is best bid $2.25. Partner D is best bid $2.80. Then out of these 4 bids, partner C comes with the highest bid of $3, winning the header bid and auction bid, which is then sent to the ad server, which competes with other line items. Unified auction in ad server, which happens where direct and guaranteed buys are the first priority. Second priority is price priority. Third is other non-guaranteed bids. Fourth is AdX bid, Google Ads, and fifth is exchange bidding, yield group bidding, which happens, and all bids compete in an ad server to find best offer, and then yield group auction happens, and the winning bid is selected via dynamic ad allocation. And here, as you can see, the winning bid is yield group C with $3, and then the ad is shown to the served to the site. Now coming back to the basic question of programmatic advertising. So programmatic advertising uses automated technology and algorithmic tools for media buying. The term programmatic relates to the process of how ads are bought and sold in the advertising space. So this is how the programmatic advertising works. The publisher goes through, puts their ad inventory for sale via a supply side platform. Supply side platform connects to an ad exchange for a real-time bidding. Then the ad real-time bidding, the brand and advertiser also connects with the SSP and ad exchange via demand side platform. And if they want to run their campaign on a segmented ad data, then DMP is used, which is data management platform, for showing the particular type of ads in a geo-targeted, gender targeted, or like any device targeted advertisement. Programmatic advertising differs from more traditional media buying methods in its use of automation. It analyzes many user signals to ensure that ads serve the right person in the right place at the right time. Think of programmatic as the umbrella in this category, where different types of programmatic buying are categorized beneath it. So what is the difference between programmatic and display ads? It's easy to confuse display and programmatic ads, especially with the strides that Google has made in its automated and real-time bidding capabilities. The largest difference between programmatic and display is programmatic refers to how ads are bought. Display refers to the format of how ads appear. So display ads can be programmatic, but programmatic ads are already display ads, then they can be video ads also, they can be audio ads also. So differs. The second biggest difference between display and programmatic is the ability to buy ads across platforms. So display ads are more commonly referred to when placing ads within one specified ad network, such as the Google Display Network. Programmatic advertising, on the other hand, takes display media to the next level. Multiple platforms exist for programmatic, such as sell-side platforms, demand-side platforms, allowing advertisers to buy ad inventory across an open network of platforms. With both programmatic and display, advertisers typically have control over the following, which is audience, which is the data, like it can be geo-targeted, device targeted, it can be gender targeted, class targeted. Then bidding strategy, what kind of bidding strategy you are, like you are doing real-time bidding, header bidding, or direct bids, private marketplace deals, PG deals. Then you have budget, creative and assets, placements. All these things can be taken care of while with programmatic. Programmatic advertising platforms, automated technology has made significant strides throughout. There are many types of programmatic platforms. The three main types of platforms are sell-side platform, also known as supply-side platform. This platform allows publishers to sell their ad impressions to advertisers in real time. This platform encompasses both DSPs and ad exchanges. Demand-side platform. This platform allows advertisers to purchase ad inventory across multiple platforms at once. Ad exchanges. This is how SSPs flow their ad inventory to DSPs. DSPs connect to an ad exchanger where ad prices fluctuate based on the competitiveness of that inventory. Sell-side platform. A comprehensive list of SSPs for publishers includes Google Ad Manager, Amazon Publisher Services, OpenX, Google AdMob, Yahoo AdTech, Triple Lift, PubMatic, Verizon Media, Xandr, Index Exchange, Sovereign, Magnite, Media.net, Criteo. Demand side platforms are similar to SSPs. These company names may ring a bell and offer DSPs. Some of the top DSPs include DV360, that is Display and Video 360, Trade Desk, Amazon DSP, LiveRamp, Adobe Advertising Cloud DSP, StackAdapt, MOB, Yahoo AdTech, AdRoll, Basis, Rhythm One, Suzel. And some of the more well-known ad exchanges available to publishers include Xandr, Verizon Media, OpenX, PubMatic, Google Ad Exchange, Index Exchange, Magnite, Smarto. How much does programmatic advertising cost? Simply put, programmatic advertising can cost as little or as much as your budget allows. It's a common misconception that small businesses can't benefit from programmatic technologies, but we are here to correct that. Programmatic ads are typically bought on cost per thousand impressions basis. CPMs typically range anywhere between 0.50 to $2. However, CPMs can be much higher based on factors such as which DSP you choose, your target audience, the level of competitiveness. What are the benefits of programmatic advertising? There are many benefits to incorporate programmatic advertising into your marketing strategy. Some of the top benefits include large scale audience reach, like you have got a large audience bucket data which you can target, starting from range of age, gender, then you have geo targets, then you have device targets, etc. There are various kind of targets which you can do. Efficient and low cost awareness, real time data and analysis, ability to utilize first and third party data, like through the customer data platforms and the data management platforms. You can utilize the first party as well as the third party data, and the opportunities for cross device campaign strategies. Large scale audience reach. Arguably, the best benefit of programmatic advertising is the ability to grow and scale. Programmatic is the best way to buy ad inventory to reach the masses due to the abundance of cross platform inventory. Efficient and low cost awareness. Related to the above benefit of scaling reach, programmatic is one of the most cost effective types of advertising out there today. Earlier, we discussed average CPMs of programmatic averaging between 0.5 to $2. Even with a smaller budget, your marketing dollars can go pretty far to reach your target audience and increase awareness of your product or service. Real time data and analysis. Because programmatic platforms rely on real time bidding, advertisers reap the benefit of receiving near real time data. Why does this matter? Real time data means you can make faster decisions and pivots. It also puts you in a proactive instead of reactive mode. Utilizing first and third party data. Another benefit of programmatic advertising is the type of data segments available to advertisers. For example, advertisers can upload owned first party data in a secure way and target those people directly using real time bidding signals. Taking that step further, DSPs have many third party segments that advertisers can choose to target if they don't have first party data. Another type of third party data advertisers can leverage is turning their first party data into third party data by creating lookalike audiences of their own customers. Cross device campaign strategy. It's important to note that programmatic advertising is typically seen as an awareness tactic. Because of this, companies that look solely at last click success often overlook the true potential of programmatic advertising. So, how does programmatic fit into a cross device campaign? The key is to capture that initial awareness to users through programmatic ads. Like, a user won't purchase a product or service after the first interaction with a brand. Once a user's interest is piqued, you have the ability to remarket to them on other platforms based on their interaction or engagement with that initial ad. Types of programmatic advertising. There are different types of programmatic advertising. This should not be confused with the programmatic platform themselves. The type of programmatic advertising are simply how an advertiser purchases an ad inventory. The four most common types are real time bidding. This type of bidding is open to all advertisers, where ad auctions happen in real time. This is also known as the open marketplace. Private marketplace. This bidding happens when publishers have agreements with a limited number of advertisers. These websites typically offer premium pricing because of the coveted ad space. Preferred deals. A lesser known type of programmatic advertising. Advertisers choose ad spots before they go on the private or open market. This is also known as spot buying. Programmatic guaranteed, similar to a preferred deal, but there is no auction bidding. The publisher and advertisers agree on a fixed price for ad inventory. The different auction types available for programmatic advertising. Header bidding, a technique where publishers offer inventory to multiple ad exchanges simultaneously before going to ad server. By using header bidding, publishers can increase their income by increasing the competition. Exchange bidding, a server-side process involving a unified auction where exchange networks and SSPs bid on ad inventory. Exchange bidding is often regarded as Google's answer to header bidding. First price auction, advertisers bid for an impression with the highest bid winning and paying the publisher. In first price auction, the highest bidder determines the price of the impression. Second price auction, the runner-up sets the price of an impression. In second price auction, the bidder with the highest bid still win, but only pays a cent more than the runner-up advertised bids. Open auction, ad exchange matches buyers and sellers on this public marketplace seeking the highest bid. Private marketplace or non-guaranteed PMP deals is an invite-only model, allowing publishers to limit their ad inventory to a select pool of advertisers. A private marketplace works in the same way as real-time bidding, but publishers have more control over who they want to advertise on their website. Publishers get to decide which advertisers they invite to advertise on their websites. They have the chance to bid in a small auction before the inventory is released to the open auction. A negotiated minimum price is set, but buyers can bid on as many impressions as they want. Real-time bidding, real-time auctions that take just milliseconds to complete, often carried out by supply-side platforms or ad exchanges. Programmatic guaranteed or direct, the direct sale of reserved ad inventory where automation replaces the manual insertion order process and involves the advertisers or advertising agency negotiating directly with the publisher. There is no bidding involved in this type of programmatic advertising, and it helps to prevent fraudulent ad spaces. The publisher can regulate the price of inventory, and buyers can directly buy premium inventory in a transparent process. Preferred deals bypasses auctions to provide advertisers exclusive access to inventory. Auction types, I have already discussed this. This is the header auction where the header bidding is being set. The real-time auction is happening in the header where 4 bids are being received from partner A, B, C, D. Here we can see partner B has given the highest bid. Then partner B has given the highest bid. Partner C is winning the header bidding option. Here it is, I think it is written wrong. It is partner B which is going to the header bidding auction, and then it is competing with the other line items like directed guaranteed buys, price priority, other non-guaranteed bids, other ads bids, exchange bidding, lead group. All bids compete in an ad server to find best offer. So here the best offer is through header bidding only, that each group B has won. Their ads are shown onto the ad server. Digital advertising versus programmatic advertising. While digital advertising hopes to have a wide reach and find the correct audience, programmatic advertising uses precise targeting tactics to segment the audience with real data. Programmatic advertising combines the best elements of tech advancements and human knowledge and expertise to make it easier to buy, place, and optimize ads. So what's next for programmatic advertising? Technologies such as machine learning and artificial intelligence are having an impact on everything, and programmatic marketing is no different, as well as technology trends in programmatic advertising influenced by the best practices, changing attitudes, and trends in the other areas. So one of such things is next in programmatic advertising is AI, which is artificial intelligence. So artificial intelligence and machine learning can be used to find patterns and predict results in real time along with multiple data points. As AI continues to develop, it will be able to combine the mapping of ad viewing metrics with user data so that ads can be placed more accurately, resulting in lower cost. Increased personalization. Programmatic ad tech can now be used to optimize ads and measure in real time, combined with the power of artificial intelligence, which provides the necessary data and insights to deliver more precise messaging to the right users. Dynamic creative optimization makes it possible for advertisers to offer highly relevant and personalized ads to their targeted groups, which is also beneficial for publishers. And like this DCO makes it possible for advertisers, which is dynamic creative optimization, to offer highly relevant and personalized ads to their targeted groups, which is also beneficial for publishers. DCO understands who the viewer is and chooses the best creative combination to deliver the right message for each user, ensuring that publishers show their site's user only the most relevant ads, preventing ad fraud. So digital ad fraud is a problem that the marketing industry is battling against. Advertisers lost more than $23 billion globally to ad fraud in 2019, and it's predicted that ad fraud will cost the industry $32 billion by 2022. There are several solutions being used in programmatic advertising to help prevent fraud, including blockchain and an initiative called ads.txt. What is a supply side platform? An SSP holds the publisher's inventory. The publisher submits a web page as a source for an advertisement. And after all is agreed on the ad exchange, they will put a pixel code on their page to track visitor behavior. The code delivers anonymous data about visitors and the actions that they take. The SSP is programmed to maximize the value that publishers receive from an impression of an ad, and an impressions being an instance of the ad being shown to someone. An SSP allows publishers to filter ads by the advertiser and other criteria, as well as set different rates for ad spaces to define the cost. What is a demand side platform? A DSP is a type of programmatic platform for the advertiser side of the process. Advertisers make their bids to a DSP and the platform makes the decisions for them. A DSP stores user profiles and third-party data and combines information with bids from advertisers. The DSP makes the decision about which ad to serve when visitors land on web pages. It must consider the bid made, with the highest bidder winning, the content of the ad and the cost to the advertiser. The pixel that publishers include on their website provides data so that audience segments can be created, sending the information to the DSP. The DSP has advertisers ready to make their bids automatically so that the best ad can be shown to the correct audience. Advertisers benefit from accurate placement of the ad, while publishers benefit from the highest bidder winning. When the DSP and ad exchange have made a decision about which ad to match to which web page, this is communicated to the SSP. What is the difference between an SSP and a DSP? Simply put, a DSP and an SSP connect to different parts of their programmatic ecosystem. A demand side platform is a tool used by advertisers to help organize ad buying, whereas a supply side platform is used by publishers to connect their ad inventory to ad exchanges. So this is the DSP and SSP. This is the advertiser, this is the agency trading desk, which is related to the ad network, which is working for a buyer or an advertiser, and they are also connected directly to the ad server. Then the ad network is connected to a demand side platform. And demand side platform is also connected to the data management platform, which is a buy side platform. Then the DSP directly connected to the supply side platform, which is connected to the ad network working for the publisher, and which is also connected to the publisher's ad server, the SSP RTB server, and this is connected to the publisher. And through this sell side, the DSP execute their buy side activities and the ads are shown to the consumer. So in a nutshell, the consumer, here's the consumer, it goes to the publisher's website. Then the publisher's ad server gives a request for showing ads, which is going to the ad network, which goes to the server of supply side platform, and the supply side platform gives the demand to the demand side platform server, which in collaboration with the data management platform gives the demand to the ad network working for a buyer or advertiser. Then the advertising agency is finalized, or the ad is finalized, and then the ads are shown to the consumer. What is DMP? Having the right data is vital in programmatic marketing. A DMP is an independent platform that collects, manages, analyzes, and activates data. The platform provides comprehensive user profiles to advertisers so that the data can be used in a programmatic algorithm to match the visitors most likely to convert to the best ad. What is Google Ad Exchange? So Ad Exchange is where the DSP and SSP come together for ads to be bought and sold. Some ad exchange ecosystem combine DSP, SSP and DMP in one, so that everything is provided for both publishers and advertisers. However, it is worth noting that some combination platforms might not offer the functionality that singular platforms offer. They may offer a range of basic functions but won't necessarily allow advanced settings and control. So this is Google Ad Exchange Marketplace. These are the list of buyers. These are the list of the sellers of various publisher websites. This is the Google Ad interface of their own advertisers. This is Google AdSense interface of their websites. So this is how the ads are sold and ads are run on websites. Thank you very much. Hope you liked this video on programmatic advertising, where I have tried to incorporate most of the components of programmatic advertising, and also have tried to give you a figurative explanation of the process of programmatic advertising in particular. Hope you have a good day. Keep learning and keep enjoying the videos. Thank you very much.